We are rewiring the trailer. So we went to Harbor Freight, got a trailer light kit. We used the old wire that was in there, what was non-operative, and ran it back through there. And now he is wiring it up.
We'll change these out. You should never leave these on here. You need something more watertight than it corrode on you. But since we left our terminals in the freaking boat,
Yes, because we are going to be using it for the trailer, for the boat. It needs to have the watertight marine terminals.
yeah, anytime. Otherwise, water off the road or anything, just up in there, corrodes and rust out, and your lights don't work. Ground up there.
So now that we have the driver's side new trailer lamp.
They didn't give us a ring terminal. We're going to need a ring terminal for this.
Okay, so just cleaning everything up with our rotary tool.
Trying to get it ground. Rust doesn't ground.
Rust does not ground.
Battery's about dead too. Alright, that's good. We need to wash it.
PB blaster.
Yeah, fine. And a Phillips screwdriver.
Okay. This one did not want to come off voluntarily, so it's taken a little bit of smash and go, but he's just about got it.
You ready?
Go.
With your Harbor Freight light kit, it's LED, which is wonderful, and they got probably the best price on this stuff. But right here is 90% of your guys' failure to have tail lights on your trailer. Right here, this stuff Water gets down in here and rusts these away, and you lose your connections and they don't work. These are terrible on your trailer. They're a lot of fun, everybody likes them, but the same thing. Inside here, inside here, this little metal bar that cuts into the wire, the same thing. When moisture gets in here, this rusts out on you and you lose your tail lights. Your tail lights don't work, your freaking turn signals don't work, running lights don't work. And there's you know, we're back in the blue and everything, guys, but they will write you a ticket for unsafe equipment. So this stuff here, save it for something else. We're going to use these today because we forgot our marine terminals, but we will fix that. But just throw this stuff in a drawer somewhere and forget about it, guys, because it's just going to give you problems.
Or just throw it away. Alright guys, the Wellcraft has moved and we're headed over for the engine lift. So we'll get to that in just a minute. To the motor. Get up. Hoist it there. Here she comes. Straight out. Yay! Okay guys, this is more like for prosperity's sake, but I actually backed the trailer into this spot all by myself. Okay, this is not my strong suit, y'all. I'm not good at this stuff. Not trailer stuff anyways. But that was my first attempt. She is in there straight. So, and in her actual spot. I'm so proud of myself, y'all have no idea. Got it unhooked. Actually not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. And of course we got our 350 in the truck. She's ready to get some love this week. Alright guys, well thanks for being with me on this adventure. See you on the next video.